And Dr. Nam, I had one knee done traditional method, and then these were partials. One done traditionally and the other done with the Mako robotic system. And I must say that the second one, the recovery was quicker. I think I had less pain. It was easier for me to get through the physical therapy. So what do you say when I'm sure there's still traditionalists out there who say that the robotic surgery isn't any better, it's not necessary. What do you say?
I tell patients that, listen, we can do this the conventional way, and all of the data suggests that I'm going to be about 65 to 70% accurate at getting the components right where I want them to go. But if we get a CT scan before surgery, we use the robotic assisted arm to help me make precise cuts. It reads the patient's anatomy. We can put things right where they want to go. Then we're looking at 95% accuracy.
Wow.
Now, you can still argue, is it worth it or are there benefits? Well, you know, we're studying that now when we're looking at that. We're seeing that there are some early benefits, like you've mentioned, potentially faster recovery. With the robotic arm, it limits the amount of soft tissue damage that you can have because it literally controls where you can put that saw blade. So I can't put that saw blade beyond the bone. It'll shut off or turn off, and thus it can limit the amount of soft tissue damage, which we think might enhance the speed of recovery after these procedures.
Wow, 95% accuracy.
Yep, awesome technology.
Amazing.
Well, thanks so much, you two, Dr. Nam and Sarah.
Thanks, guys.
A great story, and good luck to you, Sarah. May you be pain-free and enjoying all those sports again that clearly you love to do. New knees, new me. I love it.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
All right, thank
Thanks,
you.
guys.
For more on robotic knee surgery, go to thedoctorstv.com. We're living in uncertain times.
Delta variant is
It's not always easy to keep up with the latest medical headlines. That's where the doctors come in. Now in our 14th season, the doctors continue to bring health and happiness into your life, giving you solid takeaway information.
Things aren't being as heavily regulated as you might think.
And we're uncovering medical scams to keep you safe.
A lot of them contained a dangerous chemical known to cause cancer.
What works and what doesn't.
I'm always a doctor, but this was one of the few times that I was a patient, and it can be scary.
The hottest trends in beauty and wellness.
Pull it up, keep it tight.
The prognosis is good. The doctors, a prescription for a better you.